Reuters, U.S. stock index futures ticked higher on Thursday, as signs that Washington may ease back on plans for tariffs on European cars pushed automakers higher across the board, offsetting further signs of tension with China. An industry source told Reuters on Thursday that the U.S. ambassador to Germany had told German car bosses President Donald Trump could abandon his threatened tariffs in exchange for concessions. Shares of European automakers rose, with New York-listed shares of Fiat gaining 6.0% in pre-market trading. Ford climbed 0.9% and General Motors rose 1.6%. The Trump administration Euro trademark S tariffs on $34 billion of Chinese imports are due to go into effect at 4:01 GMT on Friday, and Beijing said it would respond in equal measure on U.S. goods ranging from cars to soybeans the instant U.S. measures go into effect. Trump has threatened to escalate tariffs to as much as $450 billion worth of Chinese goods if China retaliates. Beijing warned on Thursday it would respond the instant U.S. measures go into effect. Amidst the tensions, a Chinese court earlier this week temporarily barred U.S. chip maker Micron Technology from selling its main products in the country. Micron Euro trademark S shares, down along with many of its peers on the first signs of that decision before the 4th of July holiday, dropped another 0.6% in pre-market. The escalating trade dispute between the world Euro trademark S largest two economies have roiled financial markets since early March, reducing the S&P 500 Euro trademark S gains for the year to just 1.5%, and pushing the Dow Jones Industrial Average into negative territory. At 7:37 a.m. ET, Dow E-minis were up 160 points, or 0.66%. S&P 500 E-minis were up 18.25 points, or 0.67%, and Nasdaq 100 E-minis were up 53.5 points, or 0.76%. The U.S. Federal Reserve is also set to release minutes from its June 12 to 13 policy meeting at 2 p.m. ET, where it raised interest rates for a second time this year and flagged that more are likely. Market participants, while looking for clues on the U.S. Central Bank Euro trademark S thinking on monetary policy and inflation, will also be hoping for signs of improvement in private sector job numbers. The ADP National Employment Report, due at 8:30 a.m. ET, is expected to show private employers added 190,000 jobs in June versus an increase of 178,000 in May. That comes ahead of the more comprehensive non-farm payroll report on Friday.